it's velcroed to the wall. Okay, so the reason they velcroed it to the wall was probably so you could move it, so you could open the door. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mount the pull station on this side where there's plenty of room. This is how I make a living, fixing other people's mistakes. Common sense is not so common. So they didn't leave me much to work with. There's no service loop up there, and the wires wouldn't pull through any further. At least they bent the tab on the ceiling grid upward so I could bend it back and fill in the hole. I cut a new slot here on the other wall, and I mounted the raceway to the center block wall with a conduit clamp. So I mounted the box that the pull station is on a little bit higher up. That way I could pull the wire through the raceway and I'd have a little slack inside of the box to work with there. I mounted the box on the wall with 2 mollies and 2 screws. No two-sided Velcro tape. So if you ever wanted to know what the inside of one of these pull stations looks like, I'll show you. I'll just insert the key here, turn it, and open the door. Now the fire panel for the building is in silent, so the horn strobes won't go off. And we've got it in test with the dispatch company. On the door you can see it says push in, pull down. Well, when you do that, a little tab on the inside of that grabs this toggle switch and throws it to the down position. So right now you can see that the light, the LED light, is flashing green. But if you were to pull this pull station to trip the fire alarm, it would trip this toggle and it turns red. Now to reset it, you put the toggle back up, close the door, and go over to the panel and reset it. It will not reset at the pull station. Alright, so back at the panel, you can see, or hear, that it's an alarm. It also shows on the display pull station. So if I hit the system reset, and then silence the panel, we're all good to go. And now you can see the light is green again. It's reset. And I cut a notch in the ceiling tile. Just go ahead and drop that in. And after I enter my password into the panel and re-enable it, it comes up as system normal. So everything is back online and ready in the event of an actual emergency. Thanks for watching.